Hey YouTube, coming to you guys with a video on a review of this hair that's in my head right now. It's another curl by the Q by Milky Way collection. This curl is called Vanilla, and it's the 5 pieces long style. This is a 1, and the lengths come in 14, 2 bundles of 14 and 2 bundles of 16. It was $21.99 at my local beauty supply store. I don't know how much it is at you guys, but it shouldn't run no more than $23.99 because the color, if you want like mixed with color, is $23.99 and solid colors is $21.99. At first with this hair, I did not like it. But I wasn't even finished with my hair yet. So I'm just like, you'll like it once your hair is finished. And I was like, okay, I'll wait till then. But at first I didn't like it. But now I love it. I feel like a Spanish Boricua or something, you know? Like I love it now. Like I love it now. Before I hated it. Seriously. It's straight back. I have leave out right here. It's on the cap. You get the complete style in one pack, and one pack is definitely enough. If you can see in here, I have hair left. Not a lot, but a good amount. This is the back. I don't know how it looked back there. So, I just put my bonnet on at night, and you can wear it up. I left it that way I could do different styles with it, because I'll get bored easily. So, you could put it up like that. Oh, that's cute. I should have worn my hair like that to church today. And put like a little, like a scarf or a headband. Or you could do some up and leave some down. Or you could do like the little twist. Put a twist on that side. You know, it's fun. Like, you could do different things with it. The cons about this hair, it tangles. Like a lot. Like I kept... See that? I don't like that. I want to be able to stroke my hand inside of it. But ain't nothing a little weave aid can't handle. Okay? And, yeah, that's it. It's on the cap. It's a quick weave. I said I only have leave out here. Yeah, so I love it. It's easy. Get up, shake, and go. Spray a little oil sheen. I gelled my front. Yeah, spray your weave aid. Spray some oil sheen if you want to give it a little shine. What else? That's it. It comes with a closure. I didn't need a closure this time because I wasn't doing the invisible part. Because I need this to last 2 weeks. I'll probably make a video when I get ready to take this out to let y'all know how it is after 2 weeks. Because I only had it in for... When did I do my hair? Today is Sunday, Saturday, Friday I did my hair. Yeah. So I have 2 days. So I'll let you guys know how it is after 2 weeks. Oh, my makeup today. I did my makeup today for church. This is what it looked like earlier. This is after church hours now, and I still haven't taken my makeup off. But I'm going to a little, what do you want to call it, get together thing with one of my mom's friends. Going to go watch Still Magnolias with the black cast. If you haven't seen the original one, you should probably watch the original one first. Because it was pretty good too. So I'm going to see how it is. I want to compare. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble. But this is my makeup. Let me see if I can get close. I just, what did I do? I filled in my eyebrows. Let me tell y'all real quick. I went to go get my eyebrows arched, and the girl jacked me up. This eyebrow over here, she jacked me up. I was so mad. This one was nice and thick, like I like it, and then this one was super thin. Thank God I know how to do makeup, so I just filled it in. On my face, I have MAC foundation powder. I used the big face brush and just went over my face. Primer by NYX or NYX, whatever you want to call it. The skin tone color. And then this color over here in the corner, that is from the 18 Colors palette. I don't have none of my makeup in front of me right now, but that's from the 18 Colors palette, and so is this blue over here. This is gel eyeliner, because liquid is it stays wet too long, so when I blink, it's all the way up here, and then I have to do it all over and I be mad. Oh, I have mascara from Avon. I can't think of the name of that specific one. I'll write it in the description box. I also use the NYX pencil, and it has the brush on the end. I had a NYX lip gloss on my lips earlier. My lips are chapped now, so that doesn't do any good about talking about my lip gloss, but that's what I have. But if you want to see a picture on how I looked earlier, just go to my Instagram. It's at Curvy Couture Ash, CURVY Couture, COUTURE Ash, ASH. That's all together. Send me a request because it's private, because it's creeps out here. But if you look cool, I'll probably accept you. But and I'll follow back. Also, follow me on Twitter at Curvy Couture Ash. Mention me and I'll follow you back. Yeah, that's it. If you hear talking in the background, it's my mother on the phone. That's why I tried to close the door, but obviously it's not working. I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but I can hear it. Anyway, I'm still rambling. Yes, that's it. I hope, let me know. It's a lot of, I don't know what's going on with my speech these days. Anywho, let me know what you guys think of this hair. If you had this hair before, let me know how did you deal with the tangles, the naps. Because I can't, I'm not going to be able to do that. Because I throw it up in a ponytail in a heartbeat. So, and these little hoops I got from my beauty supply store for $1. I got them in silver too. Let me show you guys this real quick. This stuff is good for shine. Me and mom, between one of us, she dropped it and broke the top part, so we can't use it, and we had a little bit left. And it was $4.39, but it's worth it. So let me know what you guys think of my hair and my makeup, and if you want a tutorial on how I got my makeup like this, let me know. So that's it. This is the end of my video, and I'll catch you guys later in another video. I don't know what that video is going to be about, but I'll make one soon. But see you guys.